Welcome to the Christmas series on Food Talk with Sharon. Today we are making chicken lasagna. Perfect for your Christmas Eve dinner or your Christmas lunch. This baked meal can be pre-prepped and kept earlier. So you can prep all the different layers needed for a lasagna so that at the time that you want to cook it, you just put it all together and then bake it and serve it hot. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. A lasagna has different layers. One layer, of course, are the lasagna sheets. So these sheets of pasta can be cooked like any other regular pasta as per the cooking instructions on the box. So I've already cooked it and kept it. Just one point to note here, make sure after you take it out from the water, you oil it and keep it so that the sheets don't stick to each other. So the lasagna sheets are cooked and done, I hope. So let's now prepare the cheese mix for this. So this cheese mix is what goes in between the layer and gives that nice gooey oozing cheese texture in a lasagna. For the cheese mix, we need some mozzarella cheese. So I've grated this. And into this, I'm adding cottage cheese or paneer. So this again has been grated. You can use ricotta cheese as well. And for seasoning, we need some garlic powder, pepper powder and Italian seasoning. Just mix this all together and let's keep this aside. So the lasagna sheets are ready, the cheese mix is done. Let's prepare the meat sauce. So I'm using chicken mince here for making the meat sauce. It's a pretty straightforward process. You can make it and keep this much earlier, much in advance. Just refrigerate it and keep it and use it as and when you need it. Now that we have all the different components needed for the lasagna, let's start assembling this. So I've used an 8-inch glass square dish here. First goes a little bit of the meat sauce. And on top of it, let's add the pasta sheets. On this goes some more meat sauce. And the cheese mix. And then we again repeat the pasta sheets. Meat sauce. And cheese mix once again. And finally goes in the last 2 sheets of pasta, the remaining meat sauce on top, and some mozzarella cheese, a grated mozzarella cheese right on top. For baking this, we need to cover it with some aluminium foil. So make sure the foil doesn't touch the cheese on top. So you can just tent it up a little and cover it. And then this goes into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes first. And then remove the foil, bake it for another 10 minutes till the cheese on top browns a little. So there you go. This yummy and delicious, really gooey, cheesy lasagna is ready to be served. Make sure you serve this hot.